In this video, we'll look at question 12 of the second paper of the 2017 exam. So in this question, we are given two graphs of two functions cosine of 2x in red and sine of 2x in blue on an interval from a negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. And we are supposed to decide which of these six inequalities is not true for any point on this interval. So for which of these there is no such point, x, that would satisfy that inequality. If we find just one such point, then that is not our right answer to this question. And in all of these, we are basically comparing cosine of 2x, sine of 2x, and tan of x. So let's draw the graph of tan of x into this plot, which we already have here. So this is my attempt at tan of x. One important thing to note is this intersection here. The blue and the green line should intersect at pi by 4, 1. So that's the maximum of sine of 2x. And also, as we know, tan of pi by 4 is 1. That's tan of 45 degrees. So they should meet here when they are both equal to 1. That gives us some sort of sense for which function is below which and where they meet, which will be crucial to answer this question. Okay, so let's go through these different inequalities one by one and see if they are true or false. So the first one, here the red line should be below the blue line, and that should be below green. And that we see happens here on the extreme right, say on this point, it's green, blue, and red in decreasing order. So there is a point, in fact, infinitely many points on this interval which satisfy that inequality, so that's not our candidate. So how about the red being smaller than green, being smaller than blue? Well, we have that too, say here, just before pi by 4. So neither is B our correct answer. On to C, in which blue is supposed to be below red and all that below green. But unfortunately, when green is on the top, which is just from pi by 4 to pi by 2, sine is always bigger than cos. Cosine is always the smallest here. So C is the inequality, which is not true for any point on the interval from negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. And therefore C was the correct answer.